Check out this 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, brake assist, electronic stability control, heated front seats, illuminated entry, leather steering wheel, low tire pressure warning and power windows. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.